This is the fucking poverty, bro. What the fuck is this? We put it in like like a fucking, what's that thing where old people piss and they piss in the bag? Can't piss out the dick. A 17 mil. You bought white.
White goes big.
Go on, Joe.
Look at the size of that fucking man, bro.
Yeah, I know, bro. Fucking hell, 11 minutes, yo. It even took a fucking ball. Right, so what you do, just let that drain for a bit. Yeah, be draining. Yeah, where's that thingy majiggy?
Should we put some water in there?
Right now, water, you fucking what? Bitch!
It'll just clean
You
it out.
don't put fucking water in this.
It's open water, bro.
No.
I feel like it's just the one way that he knows, bro. Yeah, oh, what the fuck, bro? You just break, bro. What the
Bro, what the fuck happened here? Bro, fucking dip stitches, bro.
What the fuck? How the hell did they do that?
Enigma Production.
Welcome back to the channel, Sadiq. Whoa, what's this? Whose car is it? Whoa, Bora, is it Jetta? Whoa, Joe.
With a bag of oil.
We're doing a fucking oil change on this car. And look at this. Bro, it's a bag of oil. I don't get how this is going to work, because what if you don't need all of it? How do you reseal it?
No, we need it all.
Not me. Are you sure?
Yeah. How much oil's in there? 5 litres, yeah, 5 litres. It's got it, bro. It's a big engine.
Yeah, but it won't take 5 litres of oil. It'll take less than that. How do you reclose it? Bro, what is this? Packaging in there. We're doing an oil change as well on this car. Bora 1.9 TDI. Mate, what is this? Let me open this. Yeah, bring it all, Jack. Where are my two shirts? Bro, I have never seen anything like this. This is absolute garbage. That's so fucking shit company. Oh wait, it's got a hood. Yo, it's got a cap. Bro, this looks like fucking poverty. Yeah, bring it. Yeah. This is the fucking poverty, bro. What the fuck is this? We put it in like a fucking, what's that thing where old people piss and they piss in the bag? Can't piss out the dick. This is the bag. Oh, it's a bit full. That bag full of piss.
That's some nasty piss, bro.
Have you got the? Oh shit, bro! I just dropped it, bro. Fucking hell. Oh shit, it's fresh there,
Bro,
bro.
how clean that is, bro. Just don't lift it up. This shit's hot, bro. Look at that, bro. Just a bit of residue.
Bro, you leaking oil?
Probably. No, I'm not.
Oh,
I
you
was
just missed it, innit?
Yeah, I missed it, yo.
Yeah, I missed it.
Some missed it.
Hopefully. You don't really need to take that off.
Yeah.
You can do it without it. But pretty much, yeah, that's
Go
the.
past Joe.
Right, this is the filter here.
That was a loud
Your
cheer.
filter's right there. Oil dips there, oil, everything there. Oh my god. I'm already. So, to begin, you always want to take. Oh, I had a fucking thing. One sec. I had a yellow one that just pretty much deals with all the oil changing. You take that out, Joff. Just leave that there. You take that off, and it helps with airflow. You know what I mean, Joff? Good thing you don't have an under tray. You fucking lost it.
It fell off the other day, yo. Bro, I had something
So now you want to
scraping,
jack the car up. Where do you think we jack you up from, Joff?
underneath on the
Where do you think?
over there.
Whoa, it's clever. That's clever. Right, let us jack the car up and we'll be back.
I don't know, you're back from bad cars, but something that changed. But the guy that done it is a messy guy, bro.
Right.
Literally, bro, there's oil everywhere. You don't clean after.
Fucking
So
hell.
just the whole car, but
Let
literally.
me just show you the under. He doesn't have an under tray. But let me just show you what it looks like.
Do you know what I think I need to do?
It's fucking swimming in oil out. Fucking
I
wet
need to go to that car wash at Stockport Road, Joe. You can get on a ramp and wash underneath.
Why?
It.
He washes underneath.
Yeah. Well, they literally got a ramp there, bro. Just for walking, just for washing underneath.
Right. We need a pan, Sadiq. Where's the pan? And it should be
Bro, what are you doing, bro? I see you
so
zooming, bro. I just seen the lenses go massive. This guy's zooming into me, bro.
Yeah, because when it goes dark, you have to zoom in.
Oh, never.
Fucking tap. Yeah. It should be a 17 mil. You bought white.
Oh, that goes big.
Go on, Joe.
Look at the size of that fucking line, bro.
Yeah, I know, bro. Fucking
What
man.
am I doing, yo?
Yeah, you're gonna remove your. One sec, Jeff. Let me get you a map.
Yeah, give me
Wait,
a
where's all my shit gone? Fucking rearranged. Here you go, Jeff. You just lie on.
Never, is that your board?
Yeah, yeah.
That's sick, yo. I don't know what I'm doing here, so.
Yeah, bro. It's a 17 mil socket. It should be a 17 mil socket.
Have you not got the pen?
Oh yeah, I'm getting that. Shit, bro, my dad's thing. He got me some foot.
No, it's bare ruthless, bro. Just every now and again, I'll come on, I just see your dad, bro. I can just see one arm just doing this, bro. From behind, I'm thinking, yo, he's cutting it up, bro. No mercy.
Right, once it. Oh, we wore the wrong clothes for this.
I know what, bro. Look at what you're wearing, bro. Oh, what are you doing, bro?
Yeah, it's right there, John.
That shit is sick, yo. Look at it.
17.
Whoa.
It's barely nothing.
Huh?
It's hot, isn't it? Come here, and give me the camera, let me show that Joff's gonna open up.
Bro, show me, bro.
He's gonna open up a nut there. That nut there, 17 mil there. Where? See it, Joff?
No, not really.
Right there. Right there?
Oh, that?
That. It
Oh,
should be
yeah,
a 17 mil. This is the same as the Golf Mark 6, Mark 4 I mean. Okay. Go on, Joff, open that up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah, but if I'm on that side, that means that I'm going
Idiot.
that way.
No, I'm not changing that.
How'd you change it? Is that right?
Yeah, zero audio.
I'll just test both sides and then see what happens, yo. It's the first time I'm doing anything
Yeah,
hands on, yo.
You can do it, Joe.
Fucking hell.
Just believe.
It's my,
Can you do it, Sleep?
my service virginity.
Can't do
I can't see fuck all there, mate.
17 mil lock.
Fuck, you know.
Get it, go. Get it. Ooh, there she go. Who's this with the base box here, man?
You figure it out, bro.
Oh, I'm getting the angle here, boy. You can get a job.
No, but is it even the right fucking way?
Ooh, something.
I don't think it's the right one, you know.
Is it not?
No, look.
17 knots,
It's not
no.
caught it, yo. No, it's not catching it. It's too big, yo.
Are you sure?
Bro, look at this. Can you see it from here?
I'm watching.
I'm on it there. Bro, it's just not the end of it. I'm just going around in fucking circles, bro.
No, you're not on it, you. Whoa. You're not. You do it, Joe.
Look.
Are you sure?
Well, look.
I'm looking you.
Yeah, look, I'm just spinning, bro. You're not catching it. I think
So-
it's too small.
Is it too small?
Yeah, it's too small, yo.
Might be 18.
I think it's 18, yo.
Try 18. It better be 18, otherwise you're gonna cross thread it. Yeah, I thought you
Fucking hell.
18, Joe.
It's a bit of a close one, look. How do I take it off? Like that?
No, just press the back of it.
Press the button.
Fuck
Thanks
yeah.
for the wait.
Filthy. Your car's. Yeah, you need to get the under of that wash.
Ah, bro, it's live, bro.
You want loose? Loose owner. Loose owner. Pull that back in. What do you think, Sadiq? Like, is he doing it? No.
Is he doing it?
AKA Zumba. There she go.
Nah, bro, I'm not even getting it still.
Don't tell me it's a 19.
Okay, is it 19? I think it's a 19, yo.
Fuck you now, bro.
No, literally, I'm just going around the fucking circles. Just
Mark
rubbing
4 17. The Mark 4 is a 17. I don't know why this is a 19. Bigger car, innit?
Okay.
Bigger car, yeah.
Look at my hand, Joe. I'm doing weight today, so
Look at my roof. 18. Is it?
Yes.
Beautiful, mate.
Right, lefty loosey here, so which way?
lefty Lucy.
I'm pushing forward there. Wait, does that mean this way?
Wait, oh fucking hell.
Yeah, I don't know.
Did it?
Got the right one, look.
Right, is it open now?
Yeah.
Now, let me just. Sadiq, give him some gloves. Now just do it with your hand.
Yeah.
But yeah, once it's open, you can just
It
do it.
wasn't
with
even
your-
loose, bro. What the fuck? It was just like pull.
Oh,
like,
never? Was it not tight?
Like, bro, I didn't even put much effort into it.
Fucking hell.
Maybe that's where the leak's coming from, motherfucking tight that shit. Didn't even have gloves, Joe. Gloves somewhere there. He just had them in his hand, Joe.
Come on, Sadiq.
On the...
Have fucking gloves, lad.
No, bro, he was just set of gloves.
5 minutes of what's that, mate?
Underneath the B-twin, Joe.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, bro. Right hand. Only fucking left hand. Yeah, this is left hand.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, 2, 3, 4.
Move that tray a bit more this way, yeah, because it'll split out.
Oh, there.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Will that do?
Yeah. Be careful. Catch the ball, don't let it drop. Is it a bit tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, use the thingy then. Oh yeah, baby. Whoa, Jaffer doing oil change? We ready?
What now, Joe?
Jaff, Ali, what? What'd you say, bitch?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I said how long how video it would take.
Who said that? Zidane. Tell him be ready about 2-3ish. Alright, 3ish.
Oh yeah, it's the best of one, but then it's time to come off and come over.
You're getting through it, Joe. Wait, have you got it on tight?
Huh?
I don't think that's...
I don't know, yeah, it's like, it came off like that. Wait, it's coming off, yeah.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
it's fucking... Like, I feel like it's just got better in it. I think that's why it's fucking thing, yeah. Taking well long.
No, it will be like that.
Ain't got no movement there, yo. Fucking...
When's the last time it got serviced?
Like, fucking February, yo.
You know.
Oh, fuck you.
Ooh, nice cutlet converter you got one.
Yeah, fresh, yo.
There's a fucking mutcher on the car.
Yeah.
It's there.
A mutcher.
There's bad dead things on my car, yo. Roadkill, yo, from fucking thingy, yo. Shit, yo.
Can you not do it by hand now?
I don't know, let me try, yo.
He's not gonna let it drip.
Nah, yo, it's fucking dead, son.
Hook you know.
Fuck, yo, yeah,
Keep
it's better
going,
too,
yo.
Wait, should I be on the other side right now?
No, any side, don't matter.
No, because like, I swear I'll be better from that side.
Which side?
From that side.
Alright. Wait, are you... Yeah, just try it.
Let me just see that side.
Any, yeah.
No, it's like...
Any, baby. Bro, we just got 8 minutes of watch time. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wait, I can't see from me. Oh, actually, yeah.
You can see it, you can see it. Oh, very good.
No, this is worse, yo. Because I can't get underneath this fucking car.
There she go.
Fucking worse because this fucking pan here, bro.
Alright, there you go.
Nah, bro. I'm going that way. Oh, we're right in it.
There she go. Oh, got a nice view of that.
Oh, look at you.
Oh no. Yo, are you even putting any effort? You're not made for this. What the fuck?
Oh, for fuck's sake, I can't be able to do this shit. That's fucking effort, bro.
Hey, this video is gonna be about 30 minutes long. Yo, bro, you're just moving. You're not doing anything, bro.
I am, bro. Look, it's
Press.
fucking good.
See the thing to make it right or left?
Yeah.
Move that a bit more right.
Oh, wait a minute.
Move it a bit more. The actual plastic
shit,
thing.
Yeah, that's why. All the way, yeah?
Be the, yeah.
Fucking hell, I didn't even do anything with that.
Fucking. Get rolled in.
Fuck, get off my hand, yo. What the fuck is this thing here, bro? You see it?
What?
Man, look at this thing
No,
here,
what
bro.
the fuck is that?
Fucking scared the shit out of me, yo. I can't get it. Oh, there we got it.
Oh, there she go.
Ah, there you go. Did you hear that then?
Yeah.
That means I'm doing something.
Hopefully you're not tightening it. No, you're loosening it.
I'm definitely loosening this, bro. Fuck you, why is it not doing the clicks again?
Try it with your hand now.
Oh, wait, what the fuck? I don't want to start fucking leaking out. I don't know what this thing is. Let me get my glove on this hand.
Yo, fucking hell, we run 10 minutes, yo. Oh!
This is how we make money, yo.
That's how I make money.
The one's on the wrong way around now. Look at the finger the other way, yo. Let me get my hat back on. Look, Sadiq, I'm doing work. Ah, yeah, it's coming out, you know.
Yeah. Alright.
Am I in the right place for the finger?
Yeah, we alright.
It still keeps going fucking loose again every time I do it. Yeah, it's like,
Put some fucking strength into it, bitch.
with your fucking fingertips. Wait, am I tightening it right now?
Nah, you're loosening it. Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, man. This keeps getting my fucking tight again.
You get the wrench on, yo. Fuck it, that 11 minutes, yo. It even took a fucking ball off.
Fucking hell, man. Use that, you know.
Uh-oh.
Oh, fucking hell, wait, there's the washer, yo. I see the washer thing, you know.
Oh shit, yo. Wait, they didn't give you a new one of this, innit?
Huh?
They didn't give you a new one of this.
A new what?
A new bolt.
Nah.
No, you
I don't
can't.
think so, just a bag of oil, bro.
Fuck you know, yo. How's it going, job?
I'm not in no fucking clicks again, bro.
Yo, I'm fuck you know.
Oh, I
Tell you what, Jeff, you know I'll make me
I
money.
think we got it, yo.
Yeah, there we go. There you go.
It goes fucking tight again, bro, every time I put it.
Yeah, I think it's just fucked.
Oh, I think we got it. What are you saying, catch the thing,
Oh,
yeah?
Just keep hold of that bolt.
Why?
Otherwise you'll be hunting in fucking oil for
fucking
it.
oil, yeah, you're right, yeah.
That last minute it just starts getting tight. You're like, nope.
Yeah, he's like, fucking hell, I tricked you.
Be careful, yo.
I know,
Don't
yeah.
go it.
How big is this fucking thing, bro?
Right, no, I don't think you've been doing anything. You've just been moving it like 1 inch, bro. Not even that, like millimeters, yo. Twisted, bitch. Mate, I don't think Sadiq's with us no more. You know, the fuck are these guys doing? Oh, there she go. Oh, it's coming out now. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, yeah.
You got it, yo.
Yeah. Alright, just let that drain you. Get out of there, Joe. One sec. Go there. Here, put the bolt in there, yo. Put it there. Put it there. Put it there. Alright, Joe. So that's once that's draining. Fuck you now. Once that's draining, you wanna. Oh, where did that fucking tool go?
You little motherfucking thing, bro.
Yeah. Right. So once that's draining, the oil filter's right here. So this should be hand tight, but it's clearly not.
Let me see, I'll do it. Let me
Yeah,
see.
go on, try doing that.
Which way? This way, yeah?
Yeah, lefty loosey. Should be like hand tight, but they always the mechanics always fucking
Yeah, nothing.
ram it. Yeah, you get your tool like this. Oh, you dirty bitch. Yeah, fucking hell, bro, that's on
Can I
tight.
do it? Let me do it, let me do it.
Fuck me, bro, what the fuck?
Let me do it, yo. Let me do it, let me do
Alright,
it.
go on.
What do I do, yo?
You just put pressure on that. Hey, that's been fucking bolted on there. That should not be that tight.
The fuck, yo?
You're supposed to move that way.
Yeah, no.
Push it down. Fucking hell, bro. Who serviced this last time?
What the, bro? It's just the thing's literally going like.
1 sec.
Oh shit, it's just going on the
That'll be clean, yo.
Bro, you just
No. Fucking hell, who serviced this last? Fuck.
Who
me.
did actually service it now? I
I
don't
don't
know.
know. No, this should just be hand tight.
Who did service it in Feb? Where did I take it?
Bro, what? Fuck. Oh, there
Oh, you got it.
Dirty bitch.
You got it. The rest with your hand now.
Nah, it's still fucking tight, bro. They've fucking shagged this, bro. The washer on this is gonna be rinsed.
Never.
Fucking hell.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Runs, bro.
Fucking hell. Bro, what's
See, I
up?
told you, so actually, really, bro, it
you-
was actually hard for me to take my thing off as well, you know? It shows that they don't know.
Fucking cowboy did this. Fuck.
Nah, bro, they were just being extra secure, bro. They don't want no.
Nah, you don't make this extra secure.
You do.
No, you don't. Right, ready to see how black the oil filter is.
Dirty, bro.
Well, it's not even connected on anymore. It's not even connected. It's supposed to come out with this. Fuck yeah, look at the blackness, eh?
That's bare green, that, yo.
Boys.
That's well clean, bro, that you use the oil on that.
Oh, this? Fuck, you got glasses on, you were just looking up like this.
Oh, right. Nah, this is obviously.
Alright, one sec.
Shall I take this out?
Yeah, you got gloves on. Fucking hell. Mate. Yeah, just let it drip a bit. Because that's why you don't tighten the bottom up just yet. Because you just keep on letting it drain. You let this loose and then all that shit will go down. And it'll just drain out.
Oh, is that going to go out
Yeah,
with the rest?
and you taking that off helps with the airflow. Everything's draining out.
Makes sense.
Give it a little tap on the side there. Yeah, be alright. Yeah, give it here. Yeah, be alright. Fucking hell, bro. Where's the new one?
Where did I put it? Over there.
There you go.
In the box, though.
How's the difference? Fucking hell, bro. Even shafted. Look at the fucking state of that. Fucking hell. Night and day, young.
That me and Hamza.
Yeah, look, yeah. Fucking black and white, young. Right, with this, you just dispose
Gotta
of
wash
it.
it.
Oh yes, to send that with it. Fucking hell. Right, so what you do, just let that drain for a bit. Yeah, be draining. Yeah, where's that thingy majiggy?
Should we put some water in there?
Right now, water, you fucking what? Bitch!
It'll just
You
clean
don't
it out.
put fucking water in this.
Soap and water, bro.
No.
It's a joke.
Right, see, the washers, one of the washers is there. Take that off or replace. Are they given two washers?
No,
Yeah. One small and one big.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
This is the first one. Don't need that anymore.
Oh.
And then the other one's right here. Yeah. You work in the Zoom City?
No,
Lazy
that's
bastard. You got one
Oh,
job.
look at that golf, yo.
That one's right
free?
there. Mark 3.
Mark 3.
Give me the new watches. Open it, bitch.
Fuck, you want me to bear shit, man.
Yo, it's your car, bro.
You got a video?
I know. I got 30 minutes of watch time, man. You fucking trying to open
Exactly, bro. I done my bit, bro. I went home. Let me take your car.
Fuck you know. Who did service it, bro?
I can't remember, bro. I didn't think I got it serviced. I
Oh,
think
that,
fucking
bro.
what's his name took it.
And I just go. Sadiq, are you working at Zoom? I swear to God, bitch.
Would you zoom on that?
Why are you not holding the camera with two hands?
He's already zoomed
Yeah, he's just doing one hand. Lazy bastard. Just like that. That goes on there. And then small one.
That means you've done some work, anyway.
Small one, Sadiq. I mean, out, bro. I mean, Jeff.
Wait for you to say my damn name, bro.
And then that goes there. Get that thing. Get it.
Yeah, I'll roll it, yeah.
Look at
Properly.
this dusty fingers.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing, you lad? Oh, is it supposed to stick?
No, bro, it should be. Fucking. Wait. What? Why is it not? It's supposed to click up. Oh, there we go. There she go. Wait, why was that? Let me show them because they might make that mistake. Right, one side's got a plastic thing there. Where's the opposite side? Which is that side? You want to put in? Get that, Jeff.
No.
Plastic side there. That won't push in. This side will. In. Beautiful. I think that other one he put in the wrong way around.
Oh, right, what an idiot, man.
Right,
You service this car, yeah?
hand tight, yeah? Just like this. Hand tight now.
That's like the light bulb dance show, you know, the Desi dance.
Oh, yes.
It's the other way though. Isn't it? You know that dance?
Yeah.
I feel like it's just the one way that he knows, bro. Yeah, oh, what the fuck, bro? You just break, bro, what the
Bro, what the fuck happened here? Bro, fucking dip stitches, bro.
What the fuck? How the hell did they break the fucking...
Bro, never fucking touch it. Bro, they did not. Bye. Wait.
Super glue, you know?
Will it still work? Wait. What the for buck? Wait, will it? Yeah.
How do you the fuck is this thing? We need some super glue.
Bro, how fucking old is this car, bro?
Bro, it's
I
fucking 16 years old. It's like it was just ready to go, bro. So what does that mean then?
Nah, that means nothing, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, actually. Oh, dirty bastard.
He didn't mean to service my car. He wanted to fucking destroy it.
Piece of shit. Nah, we'll try something, bro. Don't worry. We'll fucking glue it on or something.
Yeah, damn fucking right, bro.
Bro, what the fuck?
Just knock over this as well and break that as well whilst you're at it. Breaking my car, bro. Your hand tightening is like he's screwing it on with his...
Yeah, you do need it tight. Yeah, just but with your hands. Right, that's done. Now the thingy underneath. Now stop leaking now.
You want another video idea there, yeah?
For what video?
Dipstick.
Oh yeah, dipstick, yeah. Fucking hell, bro, did you see that? I'll
I
play
know.
it back on. Were you recording that then?
Oh no.
Oh my. Bro, listen. Bye.
Bro, it's very weird the way
Bro,
that broke.
it's too brittle. But I think once you start the car, it might leak out of there. I'm not gonna lie.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. We'll see anyway. We'll put the bolt back on so we pull that back on.
Has it stopped coming out?
Hey? Oh yeah, it'll be out now. It'll just be little drips.
Yeah, that's quite good.
Go on, Joe. Just tighten that back on it, you know. Make sure you don't actually, I'll do it, you might cross thread it, bro.
Yeah, cross-threading that shit before. Did you not go underneath and start recording them underneath the car?
Huh?
You don't want to get your pants dirty? Should I get my pants dirty? Hello, Hunter.
Alright. Where's the 19 mil?
What do I do with it? I don't know.
Oh no, it's there. Beautiful, mate.
I don't even know if I can see anything right now, but it's like, it looks like I'm
Are you looking through the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Look at that, beautiful, mate. Fucking hell, bro, is that oil everywhere?
I know, trust. Isn't it? Fresh car, yeah.
Well, that's why, because I got sun shining on it. Beautiful, mate.
My hand's shaking there, yeah.
You what? Yours?
Yeah. It's just like, isn't it? But he's got stabilizer.
Once it gets tight like this. That'll do, mate. That'll do.
Alright.
Beautiful.
Let's have a look at him.
Beautiful, mate.
Yeah, just swimming that, bro. Fresh that. Look how fucking clear that is. Clear as day, mate.
Fucking hell. Right. That's that. Now,
That's just a colour difference, bro. Look how black that is, and this was nice and brown. That oil should be.
Yeah, it should be.
Cook my breakfast with that oil, mate. You know what I mean?
Fuck you, hell.
What is it? What is it? You need to fix that, bro. Have you done that, bro? God,
Bro, it's fucking brittle as fuck.
Yeah, it don't matter, bro. Still broke it. You can't actually see it from anywhere, yo. Can't get it.
Yeah, again, you don't see it. It's just like there.
Right at the bottom is where it's broken from. Oh my days.
If it was like up here, it'd be alright.
I know.
Because it won't come out up that way.
What are you gonna do by it, bro?
I think. So
Don't forget it's oil.
what I'm gonna do, yeah, it's oil. But it's old oil. It won't burn. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna burn it with this, and then hopefully it's just gonna stick on. So let me just practice. It'll stick. Yeah. All right. Turn that on, Jeff. You rotate this, and then just click it once. Rotate it just a little bit. Little bit. Yeah. No, the other way, the other way. Until you hear.
Yeah.
And give it a bit more, yo. A bit more. And then come here. And then just press the thing. Come in here, yo.
Oh, see.
Should come in near here so I can just rapid do it. Come here, bring it in. Yeah, it's sticking. See that? That's all one bitch. Yeah, no. I was just testing it. This is the one. Okay.
Sticking.
Alright, I don't want to move it. Just leave it there. Let's just check. If not, we'll just do it again and melt it more.
Yeah, no.
It'll melt on. It's like wax. It's a fucking amount of wax. You know what? It's a bit thingy.
No, but I think if we leave it long enough,
Yeah.
this guy is. I don't know where his ideas come from in his head, bro.
Fucking engineer, bro.
He's actually got the mental age of a 6-year-old. I don't know how the fuck he does it, bro.
You know what? It's a bit wobbly.
Where's it done?
It's half
As long
of it's
as-
done,
Yeah.
but not. I want to burn it again and then burn it like fully and then so it's
Oh.
proper hot wax. Yeah. So like literally, look at that. That's
Oh, right.
yeah.
shit,
Know what I mean?
yeah, okay,
So
right.
half of it was done, half not. There you go. Get the flamethrower again, Joe.
This flavour was it.
So half of it was done, half not. It was on. Right. One sec. Get that bit heated. Yeah, hold that, Joe.
Yes.
Hold it, yeah, chill here.
You're doing it.
Yeah. More. That was just one side.
Clean it up like this. It's like
melt, baby. More. I think that's semi-solid, you know. Yeah.
Do you do any more? Or?
Yeah, more. Because I've done this side. I need to do that side.
Oh, yeah, bad that.
What was it?
You.
Okay. Come in there. Stand on this side, Joe, because I think it's more windy on that side.
I'll pop him in the ass with that knife, bro. That's fuck. Oil burning in it.
Yeah.
Realise shit. I mean, what the fuck is that, bro?
Melting on, boy. More. Now it's just, yeah, the hard bit, this pipe behind there. Fucking wire there, isn't it? Yo. Melted. Melted, boy. Yo, that's fucking solid, yeah.
Oh, fucking nice.
I think, to be safe, just one more bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be hard to get to it. Just that side, pretty much. Right, that's solid on, bro.
That's it.
Bro, just give it a little.
What the fuck, bro? That's more so than it was before. It's a fucking hole.
Yeah, just one more bit, I think, just that side. Yeah.
I'm gonna be quick.
Yo, fucking engineer on there. Oh, give him more welly. Yeah.
You stop moving the knife, bro, because I'm going where it's supposed to go.
I
You
ain't
keep moving
moving
away
shit,
with it.
Oh, shit. Mate, that is fucking on.
Should we just try and just fucking pull it up?
No, don't do that.
It's about to say be melted in the inside, so it's just got all.
Yes! H4! Nah, I mean, yo, fucking super good to burn it, bro. Mad mechanic. Alright, now we put oil in it. I don't know how much oil this car takes, you know.
Find out, yeah.
Find out.
Do you want to put it in something else before you put it in? Or?
Actually, go on Google and just type in 1.8 oil capacity. There's no way know. Because that's the shittest thing I've ever seen in my life.
I know, bro, it's weird, isn't it? He's texting me, yo.
And that's done. Gorilla Glue bollocks, mate. I'm dashing this in the bin, though. That's just fucking dashing on the road, man. Someone will collect it. Bam, 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 bam.
He's kind of stuck at the moment. He's got the kids, yeah. That kid's a proper fat blood, bro.
Whose kid's that?
Domino, his sisters, though.
See that? Fix. How long are we rolling for that?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Oh, did you cut it and come back? Beautiful, mate. Fuck yeah, this, bro. You have to hold it like a fucking udder.
Yeah, bro, look. 4.5 litres.
Oh shit.
So really, it'll just be, that's ball, isn't it?
Nah, that's 74 brake.
That's same about kilowatts. Still the same, 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. It's kilowatts, yo.
Yeah,
It's that one to that one, it's them two, yo. So I'll tell you now, 85, 81 kilowatts.
wait, this is what brake is this?
To BHP, yeah. This is 130 brake, this is 130.
Is it?
Yeah, one sec.
We'll put in half of this bag. And we'll see. Go on, yeah. You can do the honours, look. Cap, yeah? Cap my own name.
You gonna use that?
Yeah. I ain't keeping this.
No, I'm saying is I'm not gonna put it in something. Oh, actually, no, that's live, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a fucking udder, bro.
There you go, 130 brake, yeah, one sec. This is 130 brake.
No, they're trying to sell you oil.
No, but I'm just trying to.
No way about it.
Capacity 5, no, this one was 5 litres and capacity 5, yeah.
Well, put half of it, bro. It don't matter. We'll just fucking. Yeah, bro. Put half. Here you go, Jack. You can do it. Your order.
Oh my days, but it's gonna be so
Should I get a
weird.
funnel? Do we have a funnel?
I'm thinking a funnel will be better, yo, because I feel like I don't know how it's gonna come out. If it's gonna come out like, you know what I mean? To the fucking guns, yo. What would you do with this, bro?
I don't think you need a funnel.
I don't know how it's gonna come out though. If it's gonna start like coming out like fucking weird, you know.
Spider web in there, bro. The fucking spider in there.
Right, man. Spider fucking done, bro.
Bear with me, see what you recording there. Pay attention, bitch.
Fucking weird. Oh, actually, that's easy, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need the funnel there.
No. I just have to turn this and it just goes in, but easier. It's like fucking hell good. It's actually easier, but like, it's like this, yeah, because of the bottle, it like bubbles a little bit when it goes in, but this is just fucking nice. Look, yo, look.
Yeah, I'm looking.
You see? Very easy, yo. You did?
No, recording video. Stop, Joe.
What are you saying? Put half of it in, yeah?
Yeah, half.
Check, it goes in bare smoothly.
Right, that's fucking mad, that, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking bag.
I think I put more than half in. Do you reckon she'll stop yet?
No, keep going. Yeah, stop it now, yeah.
Yeah, those left, go right.
Yeah. I'll just check just in case. It's only. Yeah, not even there. It's only there. I think, yeah. Not the whole thing, there's a bit more.
Bag it there, yeah.
Bag's actually pretty easy, you know, I'm not gonna lie.
It's fucking well
It's
easier,
actually
bro.
easier than a fucking bottle. Look, just fucking
That's what I'm
bottle.
saying, with the bottle it goes like, it bubbles,
Yeah,
yeah, like,
like,
yeah, that's why you're fucking all over the car.
Yeah, stop now, yeah. In case. I'm well proud of myself. for breaking it and fixing it.
It's all part of the video, eh?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, a bit more in it. Oh, actually.
No, that's live, I
live,
think.
innit?
Yeah. Oh,
Wait, shouldn't I start the car and then turn it off again? Then you know in it?
oh no, actually the car's not level. So yeah,
Oh shit.
it'll be alright, yeah, to be honest.
We'll do it, obviously,
some of it.
we can put
Yeah,
more in
yeah.
anyways, isn't it, after we start.
Save that for now. Because all the thingies at the back. Then once it starts, some of it will go in there.
Yeah.
It'll circulate around. Yeah. So we shall be back to you when the car's on the floor.
Fucking careful
Yeah,
now.
no, fuck's sake. Yeah.
Watch for the hole. Wait. Oh, don't fucking say you're supposed to be
I've done it straight. It's supposed to be angled. Look at it. Oh, fuck's sake. No, but this is how it should be done.
Oh, wait, bro.
But it has to be bent.
Bro,
What?
just leave the thing off.
Yeah, bro, I never had one of these. These are for virgins, bro. Fuck.
Oh, really? It's
I don't need this. No need this. You want to hear the yeah, but have you look? Sadiq, you're not even paying attention, bitch. Look. See that? Sadiq, look. Here.
What?
It's not here. It's not lining up here. Because look. I've joined it straight, but it's like this, bro. That.
No, wait, do you reckon you can pull it slight now?
No, probably
bro,
break
it's
off.
gonna
No,
just go.
It's because it's like you say though, man. It's because you broke it right at the bottom.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Wait, can you move a bit backwards though?
Nah, bro.
No,
you
bro, don't
that's
touch
what, that's
this,
what
alright?
you did, bro. Literally, bro.
Literally touch it like.
That's there for another 12 months on next service, bro.
Yeah, because the thing is, even if we try and do that, we won't know the.
there, you'll get shots.
We won't know the exact thing.
What?
We'll have to do it. We won't know the exact fucking
you won't
thing,
get-
even
you'll
if
never
I
get it
move
right.
it back,
Yeah,
and then
you'll
it'll be
never
like,
get it right. You'll never get it right. Fuck that.
man, that is on that. Golden, that is. See, you paying attention, bitch?
Yeah.
Oh wait. Don't fuck about, yo. Oh wait. What's going on here? What's going on here?
And you just burn it on the inside. It's
Wait.
not that big thing. Go through, just fucking shove it through, bro.
Wait, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Oh fuck. Wait, I have to come up again. Oh no, it's actually got a fucking thing, bro. Arrow pointing this way.
Oh, right.
The dipstick. I was tripping, bro. That was my mistake. Yeah, just leave that in the boot, innit? Till you get a new one, yo.
There you go.
Yeah.
I just realised, bro, I'm gonna service this car now. Bro, I'm about to get a new car in Feb anyways.
Service?
Next time I'm touching this, bro.
Fuck me, bro. What the fuck, bro? Clean your fucking bring it up.
It's not my stuff, it's got some stuff here, bro. It's what it takes, bro. It's about the car
How long have you had?
years, bro.
2.5 years. You just left the
Bro,
shit.
I'm
Bro,
going there, dude.
Hey yo.
yo, say it, Mo. Ali. Say it.
Something, bro.
Yeah, man, we just finished the service.
I'm